What's up YouTube, it's Josh. In today's video, going to be short and sweet. We did a one-day grading installation project here in Waterford, Michigan. The client originally had a really lumpy backyard, downspouts exposed, standing water, and today we came to correct all of that. So in today's video, I'm just going to walk around, show you what we did, show you the final result of what things look like. And if you haven't already, do me a huge favor, like, comment, subscribe. We've got more home improvement projects coming for you soon. Guys, here we are. So I'm in the backyard, and as you can see, we put down seed and straw with the intention of growing grass back. It's kind of hard to see from my screen, but everything is pitched towards the end of the property in both directions, this way, and that way. Of course, with the intention to keep standing water from accumulating on the property. Originally, this downspout was exposed here, so we sunk this guy. And here you have your pop-up for water to emit. So it'll get a little bit wet in days where water emits. And on the opposite side, we have this downspout here in the back of the garage that goes to this area that will emit water as well. Okay, here we are. It's the back of the property, the AC unit. There's a couple of different debris items we found while we were here. Decided to keep those on the property. And here it's the same. We have the downspout sunk in here and the downspout sunk in there. So guys, this is the final result of this one-day grading project. This took about 9 to 5 p.m. for us to do. Here's a good look at the taper. So this tapers away from the property, which is pretty good, and off that way. And some of it near the house kind of tapers towards the driveway to keep it from running up against the house. Guys, so this is a grading installation here in Waterford. A lot of people have been calling. This season's been super wet, and today it's June 6th or 7th. And with that being said, it's been super hot for the last 4 to 5 days. Humidity brings moisture into the air, which means that there's going to be a lot more rain coming. So I would not be surprised if I get a handful of calls from homeowners requesting more grading, more drainage, preventative things of that nature. So anyways, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more videos coming for you, and I'll see you in the next one.